Welcome to our video about how to save instant energy. We share some tips what can save you money. This video will show 8 tips. Some can be obvious, maybe radical, or completely new to you. We hope you will get some inspiration with these tips and start save money in these expensive times. Tip 1. Obvious, but an easy one. Lower your central heating by a few degrees. This will instantly lower your energy consumption. When it comes to cutting the cost of your heating bill, turning down the thermostat is the obvious choice. But if yours is already as low as is comfortable, there's something else that can help. Many people aren't using their boilers efficiently, which makes homes more expensive to heat. Consider to lower your boiler as well. Tip 2. Take a shorter time to shower. Maximum of 5 minutes is more than enough to do the basics under the shower, like your hair and body. Longer is just about comfort. 1 minute in a warm shower is equivalent to 1 full day of the electricity used for lighting in a 3-person household. Don't forget it saves you also on water. Tip 3. Use an electric heater to heat up the room where you are instead of the whole house. Electricity is cheaper than gas, so your electricity consumption will rise. But at the end you will have a lower bill. It is also 100% efficient, meaning all the electricity you use and pay for converts into heat. If you consider all the factors, then electric heating beats gas by a considerable margin. Tip 4. Isolate your central heating pipes to reduce the loss of energy. It will contribute to a more efficient central heating system and less energy consumption. Oh, don't forget to check your crawl space. Insulating your hot water pipes reduces heat loss and can raise water temperature several degrees hotter than uninsulated pipes can deliver, allowing you to lower your water temperature setting. You also won't have to wait as long for hot water when you turn on a faucet or shower head, which helps conserve water. Tip 5. Use a smart meter to track your energy consumption. There's a variety of tools today on the market. Some are paid or free, but it will give you insight in your consumption and make you conscious. Smart meters put consumers in control of their energy use, allowing them to adopt energy efficiency measures that can help save money on their energy bills and offset price increases. Tip 6. Open your doors and windows about 2 to 4 times a day for about a few minutes. Ventilation is essential for keeping your house warm. When the humidity is high in your house, it will cost you a lot of energy. Improving the airflow in your home is one of the most effective ways to reduce the risk of condensation, residue, and mold, which can be harmful to your health. Ventilation can help remove moisture in the home, which can lead to condensation. Tip 7. The last 2 tips are practical. When you feel cold, you can resolve this easily by using slippers. When using slippers, your feet will remain warmer, and you will consider yourself also warm. An easy way not to turn up your heating and save money. Slippers have become this season's hot fashion items, as many save on bills by turning down the thermostat. Tip 8. The latest tip of this video. Practical but also an easy way to save energy. Use curtains in front of your doors and windows. It will function as an isolation and will avoid to lose warmth out of your house. This will result in less energy consumption, nevertheless a warmer house. Research shows that drawing the curtains at dusk can reduce heat loss by around 15%. Upgrade to thermal curtains and you can reduce heat loss in your home by up to 25%. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video or subscribe to our channel.